Yes, now welcome again to another range of the Euroballians podcast. What they always carry to come give now live and direct based on the matter from the Republicans. Yes, on top was Obia FM. Yes, now the matter will still carry on for podcast. Men are for take note what they happen from inside Obodo Ibo leagues them. And as it be, this one of the last range you will get for the 2021 season. Yes, season we just finished and we don't know almost all the champions. In fact, all the champions of the major leagues, we don't already know them. And like you always know, we go always they give now totoris them from even the Europa League will go happen this week, and we go still try to talk more about the Champions League too. Will go happen this weekend. I hope so. Yes, now they're ready for the action because my guys, my goons, them they don't already there inside studio with me. But before we dive into the matter, don't forget to subscribe to this our YouTube channel so that at least we go feed it grow, we go feed it bring more content for this one. We concern Euroballians. We'll still bring out can't give now, but you need to subscribe if you never subscribe. Just click that button where you see right now so that you go there among the people who are going to see our video first once we launch them for YouTube. So back to the matter, open and close. Yes, we entered the English Premier League and already we don't know the champions. The champions then beat Everton 5-0 for inside their old match, last match of the season. And then Moku from there start. Bucci, you want to talk, say the main man himself, the one who then called Sergio El Kun Aguero. He finally break that record. And then you want to talk, say good one for him. 20 minutes, 9 play, 2 goals.
Aguero from my village. I'm from Umuago.
From your village.
They always claim those are successful.
Sons of lions. You see me, so I be like lion.
You look like lion, natural.
So that's, I think Aguero, when I see that City team, he no start at the vex. Say, why Pep no start Aguero? I can't think, say, okay, who try and was pass to start making come out no score, or making enter, come play, come score. And he can't work well, he enter, score 2 sweet goals. The first one, show me your number. Play some back of your leg. Second one, confirm header. It show you the quality of Aguero. I think it's just 32 or 33 right there. Instigate him. If Lewandowski see the break record at the age of 33, if Luis Suarez Atletico Madrid win league at the age of 33, if Edison Cavani they score plenty goals at the age of 35, if Zlatan Ibrahimovic will be 40 years, they have to the ball. Because now 35 see the ball, who tell you say Aguero no fit ball and reach that time. This guy now one of the best strikers who don't ever come England. I think when they give him the flower, honestly, him now part of the pillars of Manchester City. 3 players or 4 players call them Vincent Kompany. Yaya Toure,
David Silva,
and Sergio Aguero. 4 of them then set up Manchester City. Also, we say they go for commission in statue right there for round. I just go score for their history.
10 years.
Equal with Rooney goal. Everything in do.
Break, not be say equal. He break the record.
He equal him, come break him.
What's Aguero tell us now? Say. Not be everybody way short. They move like this all day here. Shots men, they achieve greatness.
You don't start. You don't start with throw stones.
35 years old, this guy will not be able to climb staircase.
Are you serious?
He's so plus size.
Outside him.
I don't even care.
But sexy Joe, for a legend like El Kun Aguero, you want to say he don't lay down marker for inside EPL right now because nobody don't been doing before Wayne Rooney. Wayne Rooney now set that record 183.
3 goals. Yes.
El Kun Aguero now don't do 184 goals for one club. You want to say in legacy we don't live for this club. Whether any other striker go fit do him, I doubt him. Because the only striker we go fit do that kind of thing now, he go just move from one club to another club right now. Will be Harry Kane. Gabriel Jesus, I don't think so. But you feel say in legacy go just stay for life.
No, I don't feel so. Just like he can't come break Wayne Rooney legacy, Wayne Rooney scoring record now. So somebody else to go waka come. Remember, say a lot of youngsters
but
look
right
at
now,
this boy called Phil Foden now. See what they do. If he continue with this fantastic, I know so not be striker, but he don't score some vital goals. In fact, he's just 21. He don't score almost 30 goals under Pep Guardiola.
In how many seasons?
That's what I'm talking about. How many seasons this guy take score all these goals where he score now? He spent 10 years for inside Manchester City. And of course, we see what they come up with. So definitely, records are meant to be broken. Over the years, we don't see the likes of Messi. They break records where we say, don't they dare. We say nobody expects them to break them. The same thing Ronaldo. Now, Ronaldo don't even break your record. The only player where we say don't score end season as the highest scorer for Serie A, Premier League, and of course La Liga. You understand?
Goals.
So records are meant to be broken. And if we're running fit set Kun Aguero break them, somebody else go still come break them.
People don't seem to understand the kind of work we do in the other room. This is a small record. Do you know how many goals I score on weekends?
We know. How many do you score per weekend or per night?
So that all this
per night or per weekend?
Per night.
Per night.
Don't be Kerewa goal. Not Kerewa.
Which kind of goal talking
It's
about?
football goal. You know Kerewa goal.
I think I don't misplace address.
You know that Kerewa.
Oh Lord.
I beg. You don't do. Thank you. Nadia will go see him. From there, my people, we shepherdly talk about the other matter. As we don't talk about the champions, you want to talk about the results over the weekend. Wolves, they lose to Manchester United. That one no be worried to us. We don't need that result. But Moku talk about the result.
No, we don't
need that. Leicester City against Tottenham Hotspur. I don't understand.
You know that's it.
Wait, Papito. First of all, your destiny not in your hand.
That's number one.
It's the other people's hand.
That's true.
Now, the other people where the team they hand, they can't hand your destiny back to you.
You can't
say your destiny is not in your hand.
Say, I don't want
you can't say you know what.
You see the problem I have with this club. I told the senior man Kels
that
this soap he has using.
Say it don't expire.
No, not if it expire. He has finished using it.
Oh no. It's in Nigeria in the use.
They tell you now.
Shower gel.
Sour gel soap. Ain't it? I don't
There's nothing like shower gel soap. Shut up the mouth. Let me shower gel soap.
Buchi, let her talk now.
No,
I told what's his name? Senior man Kels. He need himself for the area.
Yeah.
Bros, this thing will soon finish. Come and renew your subscription from the Gospels and the Echo. I want to take this medium. Hold on. I want to
you want to show this
to show you people where the song is coming
no.
Hey, look at this.
So you mean Senior Man Kels? Senior Man Kels did not bow down to these gods.
You know, he didn't bow down. The instruction is come to this soap, kiss it, romance it, do everything. Listen, try it and see.
Thank you. Sexy Joe, you want to say for Brendan Rodgers? I don't know. Last season we see the same thing happen, but we blame him on COVID-19, saying that because they didn't get break for the season, that's why they don't finish for top 4. But Sexy Joe, what happened this time?
I feel say Leicester City just dey unlucky. They unlucky, very unlucky. In fact, their village people.
No.
Their village people sit down on top their case because I don't look forward to make us see these two wonderful Nigerians, Wilfred Ndidi and Kelechi Iheanacho. I dey expect to see them for Champions League, and all of a sudden them blow the whole thing off, just like they do for last season. And of course, I still be one of those who say they shout, say, you hope so? We hope so. What happened last season no go repeat itself again. They allow thunder to strike the same place twice. Otolo. Then they lead 2 Kondo.
No, 2-1. 1-0.
Not 2-1.
No, it first be 1-0.
1-1.
They come they lead. Now you they lead 2-1. Gareth Bale come from bench. Now that one even come pay me pass. Brendan Rodgers anyway, one thing about this life be say if you fit take AC Milan 7 years before them fit even make top 4. How much more? Thank you. How much more? Leicester City. One day, then go back to Champions League. But they need to work. Brendan Rodgers get plenty work to do. It's just like Atletico. It almost came to a point we think say whether they're not going to even win the title. The same thing for inside France, Lille and PSG and Monaco. It can't be like say, but at the end of the day, we see how everything take pan out. Leicester get plenty work to do. Maybe something they always distract them when you don't come down to that final matches of the season.
But Buchi,
so far,
what if it be the distraction? Because why they looking like that?
You know that every time I talk the truth, where they pepper them, now say they look.
But Buchi, seriously now, talking about Leicester City, what if it be their problem? Me and if you say maybe they don't get that mentality of finishing in the top 4.
Consistency.
That's that psyche of senior men players. We say they don't experience Champions League, they know what it be to qualify for Champions League. Maybe that one follow worry them.
I think everything worry them. I think the most important one for Leicester is squad depth. Make I use this example. After the match, they can't interview Brendan Rodgers. In talk say one of the reasons when say they lose now when Fofana come out. for that match. Constantly no get the height and pace advantage.
Even
Mendy talk say Evans get injury.
Yeah, Johnny Evans.
The old man waiting for bench where smoke and they regress them again.
Now the last season when they play with
right
this.
there.
Yeah.
So I give that example of squad. And also if you look at the squad too, their squad depth not too deep.
No deep, true.
You know they're deep.
True.
When they sell Ben Chilwell, now Luke Thomas used to graduate come. Fifth to when they play again. And their right wing back now, Cassiani, Pereira was injured for a long time.
Yeah.
When they get injury, Mendy used to come in. I tell them I'm playing now Thomas Pride. They don't get enough.
Now Palace too.
And Iheanacho get injury. Now won't play. Ayose Perez.
Even now when Ayose Perez say they get Wunjo, now him we gonna see more of Iheanacho.
Iheanacho. So their squad depth not really they honest. And if you look and well, like you talk a Premier League no be sprints, now marathon. Now what happened to them right now? And you can fall anytime, any day. Then I want to say, make una watch Liverpool. When push come to show, then show say, okay, we no want lose this league. Can make top 4. We go be one of the worst of the worst of the worst.
Even their
the
coach
about Leicester, we say the good thing or Leicester, we say at least they win the FA Cup for the first time for their history.
That one
but
a
it's very
bonus.
sad. Say like you talk then give you pop off. You know to chop am. You dey hungry you.
Try.
You collect them back. You say okay, make a wall. They can say okay, then give you back again. You can't throw it around.
That is what Ibuchi can do. That's why
because I watched the match, I go slap you at the analyze. I watched the match.
Slap me, I turn you to frog here. What's your problem? You intimidated for here. Try it, I turn you to frog. I chop you the goose.
Sorry.
What's your problem?
Sorry. I watched the match. Leicester no play good football at all. The two goals they scored for a penalty.
Penalty, yeah.
Penalty.
Yeah.
They don't play good football at all in any way. He not try doing best. He know they work. Those players then tire. You routine on what say na army in be. He talk to SARS. Like John they he no even run.
Try.
He did just sad. Peter Schmeichel will be their consistent goalkeeper.
Can't score own goal.
And also remember say
that one full up in
some
me.
kind time to this locked thing they happen. This locked thing they happen.
That is why I told you
before.
But Buchi locked twice.
No, he gets some clubs. He gets
twice.
Buchi, it happen.
Last
year na
coronavirus them blame.
This year, we never know the virus, so they will come outside.
Now squad depth virus. Squad depth virus.
But shout out to Leicester City for the level where they are as a football club.
Yeah.
The level where them they. That fit they finish, it no bad. For their
no bad,
own level.
Yeah,
because
no bad.
in every sense, they no be that
big club. Yeah. They never even break into that top 6 or top 7.
So fast expectation go they high. But
no, they don't break him, but they never just cement.
Okay.
Yes, they never cement.
Because them top 6 club,
or top 7.
Yes.
Okay, I've heard the people's report. What I will do, I will send a mail to Bernardo and say squad depth.
And your boss go send the mail.
Don't worry about that. Continue your work.
What do your boss mean?
Thank you.
San Diego.
Okay, don't do now. You don't do.
Santiago.com la me.
I mean, sorry.
Santiago.com.
San Diego.com at yahoo.ng.
Papito, why the answer up?
Sorry.
Okay, the other results them way matter to us. Now Chelsea we can lose to Aston Villa. But no be bad one. Liverpool 7 win against Crystal Palace 2-0. That one make them qualify. But quick one, Sexy Joe. So far, Thomas Tuchel don't do the work. What then Kadam to come do? Make sure say Chelsea qualify for Champions League. And that one they don't do. So far, you want to talk say in scorecard no bad. If you ask me.
In scorecard they awesome. Yes, he don't lose the FA Cup where then suppose Colobi. And of course, when you check waiting he don't achieve since we say Frank Lampard don't come out. He still take the same players where Frank Lampard carry Pogri go by. Now he still they use and now them now make sure say they not only make top 4, even though say they lose that game against Aston Villa yesterday. And Aston Villa was the better side. But then the team still tried. Thomas Tuchel don't do very, very well. And I feel say as he don't take them through this almost season don't they almost end now. No be this year take over.
Yeah, January.
So by new season now we go see the real Thomas Tuchel. Now that's how we go see the work where we say he go do. But so far it's been fantastic. It's been awesome.
So yes. over 10 right now. What you go give him?
Over 10 I go give him 7.
7. Papito, you want to talk something?
I will just give him 6.5.
Why?
Bros, this is not your score. This is not
exactly.
your
Is
score.
it your score?
What's your problem now?
May you explain why now?
Now, wait, calm down. Look, Tuchel has been doing very
this
well.
This thing they cover your eye.
Okay,
your gods.
Let me put him down.
Okay.
I don't want to put my gods on him. No, my gods don't touch
your
the
gods,
ground.
they shed,
now back to the matter.
hair.
Hold on. It's shed with everywhere. It's good luck. Touch it, you get the money now. Now, talking about Tuchel, he's been doing very, very well. But we know that any time a new coach enter a team, there seems to be a new breeze. We go make it after they win. We go see in true color
next season. Oh, Papito. No, sense not finish.
How?
Sense not finish for what he talk.
How?
Sense don't finish.
That work.
today. It remains small. I for produce this show. I for produce it. If not for the fact that say if people want to show yourself over me, I for produce this show. Because the kind medicine that the gods of San Diego give me for this show.
He just enter that production.
I like that.
But Buchi, talking about Tuchel.
I want to talk about that.
Yeah, basically, his scorecard for you.
No, be what I want to talk about. I want you to take a shot at ungrateful Chelsea fans. I don't see Chelsea fans in person, social media. They can't complain about Thomas Tuchel. It vex me. You know why? It vex me because say, waiting this man don't use to do for that Chelsea squad.
Yeah.
We watch Chelsea under Frank Lampard now.
Yes.
Chelsea don't play ball a problem. To score a problem. Income give them structure. When you want to build house, you need foundation, and then you need waiting structure.
Structure of the building.
Chelsea get the foundation already. Money day, players day, but these players we are not structurized.
Oyibo.
Have you ever heard
Papito?
But wrong English. Now we can't be teaching the people at all. Wrong English. We don't be structurized.
You know correct.
You want to demoralize them?
You wrong.
No verse.
Structurized, no correct.
Structurizes. I don't say that English.
All that structuristic.
Let's use lackluster.
Papito.
Lackluster.
Structure.
But Buji.
Okay,
Speak Pidgin. Put structure.
Structure.
Yeah, he put structure.
For that Chelsea team, with waiting in you start get. Yes, they lose the FA Cup final. Who they lose the FA Cup final? Who is expecting to go into FA Cup final in the place in the first?
Even Lampard lose the FA Cup final.
Exactly.
Yes. Give them top 4 finish. Yes, you go say and Aston Villa win them.
Qualify them for the UEFA Champions League final.
Yes. Yeah.
And the Champions League final.
Exactly.
On a good day, I think if any Chelsea fan criticize Tuchel, make it up to the watch football.
They're not even bonded.
If you criticize, what the Arsenal fans could do?
No, we'll come.
We suppose no.
We'll come as now.
Wait,
Make I do my scorecard. Make I do my scorecard. In the sexy Joseph. Scorecard 9 over 10 Tuchel.
9 over 10.
If he come win the Champions League 10 over 10. Honestly, for me.
Wow.
Listen, I want when you print the
you
results,
don't give him.
I gave him 6.5.
You don't do so. You don't do.
9 over 10.
Sexy, you want to talk something about
Premier League?
Yes, I just want to talk. Say Chelsea fans no get any right to criticize the bros because you don't even shock everybody beyond expectation. See when he take over the team and see what he don't do with the team. They not only qualify for the FA Cup final, although they lose them, they qualify for the UEFA Champions League. They also play for they also make top 4.
Yeah.
Despite the fact say they lose, so who then be to criticize them? And the reason why they do like this, now English fans, now so then they do.
Even Nigerian Chelsea fans themselves.
Exactly.
Those are their sports.
Nigerian Chelsea fans.
And with all these things, waiting I know say this man don't do. Waiting Frank Lampard no fit achieve. With all the buggery way carry go spend the same players where carry money go buy. Like these guys still they lose.
No verse.
Don't let me provoke.
No verse. Last. But we talk about the last match where happened where we say we got chook mouth put. Now Arsenal will win their match against Brighton, but Buchi, make I start from you because now you be the
Buchi know they use air cream. See all the dust we come up for your head.
Wow.
But Buchi, Arsenal season so far for the first time in 25 years, no European competition. They be done. They try one enter the new European competition, maybe the Europa Conference League.
Wow.
But Tottenham Hotspur snatched that one after they win that match against Leicester City. But Buchi, on a serious note, we know say if you want to ready their season, it go be worst. Whether not bad, worse or worse.
They got the whole us max minus.
So you rate their season, then can't give us way forward.
Arsenal season, they're not even to put the out 1 of 10. No, don't even give them number because they did numberless. Like 0.1.
Oh no.
For Arsenal Football Club.
Or minus something.
In every sense. See, people they tell me say the players disappoint Arteta. blah 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 blah. Some people will not get sense. Sorry, I'll be very blunt. People will not get sense. But they don't beat me. I guess as strong. The same players with even less quality. Partey no even did here. Gabriel no did here. The same players help you win FA Cup.
Yeah.
The same players help you beat Chelsea,
Win community
beat
shield.
Manchester City, beat Liverpool, beat Tottenham Hotspur. Arsenal beat all the big boys. Those players. Who you say? Nobody. They expect new season. I think I carry Arsenal when Arsenal they 8. Return them back to 8. No growth.
Wow.
No growth.
That's a big revelation.
No growth in any way.
Okay, now 8th position if
You
you
know
carry
now
them.
when carry them now.
Wow.
Return them back to 8. Let's say now 18 you go carry them go. So the beauty right now don't make sense. I like I'm say as Arsenal no finish for Europe. I think Arsenal need to stay at least one full season of European football. European League now big distraction. Play on Thursday. You know easy to play on Saturday and Sunday. These players are human being.
Yeah.
Because Arsenal don't even get this depth to won't play that competition. It is stress the team. So like Arsenal they Europe now, they need to build and focus on what they go do tomorrow. My only fear, now that Antichrist, Arteta, what they for Arsenal.
He's an Antichrist.
No, Antichrist him be. He come do the come. Antichrist nobody they come they collect people they go up. But I find they carry them they go. So I don't know what he want do for that squad because rebuilding wise, he no get rebuilding process. He get what he has Wenger talk for one interview. Talk say as a manager, you need to sabi control yourself and forgive. Because at the end of the day, now these footballers,
Now them go still make you.
now they go carry you because you be servant. So if you don't sabi forgive them, you go mess up.
That's
You go fight everybody.
That's all.
Bad
that
man
Arteta.
management.
Because
So no good man management from
you
Arteta.
don't get them.
You no get
Player
am.
go feel verse you. But if you carry him for mine, you go mess up yourself.
You even carry
And
for
those
mine.
players, they go put them.
Aubameyang.
Go show for their performance on top of the pitch.
No, it obvious.
It was so
It obvious
obvious.
with Arsenal. Say so many things they wrong.
Aubameyang
No,
go
they
name everybody.
From players, if Arteta there against you, you are out. If you don't like you are out. See Saliba, good example. Saliba on a star boy from Saint Etienne. Saliba on a star boy pass Fofana away come Leicester City. It was the major project for there. Fofana come Leicester the ball like say tomorrow top 5 best defender.
But our
Saliba,
own
they carry Saliba go.
Nayunku Mikel Arteta.
When they tell Saliba say he's not ready.
He's
Who are
not.
you?
He's
Are
not
you
ready
to be a coach?
for Premier League
So
matches.
Arsenal right now in a state of Glisma component.
But Sexy Joe, which way forward? Because now that one we got to talk about. We don't list our Arsenal problem. Waiting they need to do now. Sack Mikel Arteta or try to rebuild with this same squad where they get.
You see, Buchi talk one thing we beside pick from this whole thing, and that's the way he talk now. Man management. Arteta knows how to manage players. In fact, he's a one boy. As far as football management they concerned, he never really learned the rudiments of managing a football team, and they got to learn them. Until they learn them, now still the same mistakes Arsenal go continue to they make. Because of the way things they now, I no go support to make them sack 'em. You understand? Because of the way things they now. Because right
Wait,
now
artists
the
they
club
now.
they struggle.
Artists they
Tell me.
now.
And you
Artists
shut
they
this
there.
man up. He don't talk alone now.
No. Artists they
The
there.
club they struggle.
Artists they.
They are bullying
Already
this
things
lady.
don't
Artists,
spoil.
things good.
Already, wait,
You
I'm
consider-
not gonna say things good.
Jimmy,
I'm not
they
go.
are
I'm not
Arsenal
see.
fan. Let's move
I'm
on.
not
Things
go.
good.
See,
Yeah, calm down.
no matter how we look at,
Look at now.
yes, structure, no the structure, no
Eh.
the. But at least in his own way, he still gets your own structure on
Who
ground.
structure and get?
You understand?
Now carpenter will
What
do
kind
that.
of
The
a structure?
only thing where they there be say already they want ship out some players.
Okay.
By the time where they ship out some players, if the board or the people will be say they come out money give them to enter market, go give them. And if himself go shine eye where enter market buy players. Now I hear saying they try see whether Madrid go at least bring this guy back on loan or the guard, whether they go allow stay back on loan or sign him on a permanent.
even
You
Ceballos.
want to say Madrid.
I want to see Papa now.
Don't already talk now.
Even
Although
Ceballos.
Madrid, you understand. So in the try it because these players get something to offer for the team.
God.
He made the mistake. In fact, he don't make the mistake of that relationship with players, just like Mourinho take do for inside Tottenham Hotspur. Although Mourinho na experienced manager, he try him best.
What a
The thing no
difference
just
guy.
work.
Okay,
but
thank you.
for Arteta, he
Jimmy.
didn't get a lot of. If
Make them
they
just
go
give am
retain
chance.
him, make them give him
Na the way
chance.
forward be that.
Na the way-
No, they give him the whole chance. He don't
Buchi,
finish.
thank
Make
you.
them give
That's
him
what
chance.
when they promote
But
from
if
coach
they
to manager,
get
just
see,
right
make them
there.
give him am chance to continue. But if they get wait now, if they get, I say wait, if they get recovery and then get better coach, because Nuno Espirito Sanchez now they're free. If they fit go carry Nuno Espirito Sanchez come,
thank you.
Fine, that's a good option.
Thank you.
Because the man gets sense.
Thank you now, Sexy Joe.
No, he never stop.
You can't come on our podcast and defend Arteta. You know like growth.
I'm not defending Arteta. I said, look, I said, no, be say at the top, say, make if they know, if they get the quality, if they get the quality, where go is so far so good. At least we not drop goal relegation. See, at least we not drop goal relegation. Arsenal not drop goal relegation. That is a plus. Yes, they finish it, but I'm so happy. Timmy, I am so happy. Say Arsenal no play.
No, it's no relegation.
No,
it's no relegation.
See, there is room for improvement. If AC Milan, I still maintain that if AC Milan will come back after 7 years to the top four, Arsenal can do it. You talk something. You talk something when we say I like. You talk something. You talk something when I like. You said there is room for improvement, which I agree. If they get the money to bring somebody like Nuno Espirito Sanchez enter Arsenal, because which club now go leave their big coach for Arsenal to go carry?
Sexy Joe, he don't do.
Who them be? Who them be?
Listen to me.
Let's go tell me who.
You see this stupid. Will let me talk? But
shut up your mouth.
Now people like you, nice to talk. Say better push us at that time. Are you sure?
Wow. Please. Don't interrupt.
As long as blood for Arsenal Football Club. This is actually very personal. 8 I will stop you. 8 dedication for Arsenal.
As long as see there is room for improvement. Now a lot of things don't come to light. Timmy, a lot of things don't come to light. As far as Arsenal they concerned. By next season, they don't know what's in the on ground now because now they don't drop goal 8. Even the Europa League self, they're not gonna see play. You understand? The Europa Conference self, they're not gonna see play. But what did switch me pass? Now the fact said they don't finish that 7th. Even as they finish 8th. I'm not gonna like see them for Europa Conference.
And they're talking about the sharpshooter we'll get the sharpest shooter that the man himself, Harry Kane, they don't define club win go 23 goals, 9 score for the whole season. 9 collect the most valuable player and 9 collect not be most valuable player. He collect the most assists. 2 awards we get for the last day of the Premier League as the highest goal scorer and also as one of the person, the playmaker of the season. Okay, from there, guys, Mboko Shapali entered the Spanish La Liga, and we will talk about Atletico Madrid. Before we do that one, Mboko talk about the promoted teams, or the teams that will relegate actually for the Premier League, and you talk about Fulham, West Bromwich Albion, and Sheffield United. That one I confirm. From there, Moko entered the Spanish La Liga, like I talk, and Shapali Moko talk about Atletico Madrid since 2014, and the last time they win the La Liga title, and they want to say for Diego Simeone. Like I talked before, and like the stats, they 9 seasons with the club, him never finish outside of the top 3. Diego Simeone don't win 2 La Liga titles. He win them their number 11th La Liga titles. Man, we guys give this man all the applause. All the things then. Yes, the accolades. He did.
Sit down.
Gucci, please, can you sit down?
You're clapping for me. I shouldn't stand up. Okay, let me disappoint you. I'm coming up. I'm coming. I'm not finished coming.
But
I'm coming. I'm coming.
But moving on. Sexy Joe, a quick one for Diego Simeone. What do you want to talk about? 2 La Liga titles in 9 seasons, and you want to say at least information, no be tiki-taka, no be sweet football, no be progressive football, na pragmatic football. Oyibo, jam body football. You want to say this one a good one for Atletico Madrid, last.
Fantastic one for them, and of course, if you check it don't justify all the pogri way. You know, so I be the highest paid coach in the world right now, and of course, it don't justify that money. We be say then carry renew in contract. I think about last 2 years ago, when they give her more money, they earn more than other coaches, so you don't justify the money. And of course, you don't do a fantastic work with Atletico Madrid. You get one time because of the jam body football, the physicality of their of his style of a football philosophy. Yes,
Why this one
some players can't they complain one time that boy
Ignore
with
him.
wait me that Shana Trippier, the one away from Tottenham Hotspur. Go there, can't they even complain and say, be like, say this man, training, they tell on anybody and all that. But at least at the end of the day, everything pay off. They win their 11th title, and of course, a fantastic one. And I see this one as an eye-opener. I know say they don't win them before, relax, Madrid and of course Barcelona come back and can't dominate for some period, but I see this one now a real eye-opener. So next season, I feel say Atletico could come stronger and go follow them, drag that title to the last day as well.
And you want to talk, say the last 20 years, Barcelona, I don't win the most titles for La Liga. Over about 10, I don't win. I think Real Madrid win 6, or Barcelona get about 14, Real Madrid get 6. And you want to talk, say Atletico Madrid get 2 titles. But Bucci, moving on from Atletico Madrid, we got to talk about Barcelona. And you want to talk, say, yes, Barca and Messi right now, what's going to be the way forward for them? Because them try to win something, maybe Copa del Rey, but that one no reach for Barcelona fans.
Bad for Barcelona. Yeah, season right now. I think Barcelona are the English version of Chelsea fans, where they're very spoiled. I'm very confused. Their fans don't even know where they don't know right, no left. They're very, very confused. Same way like the board. That's why I say some clubs they enter fans' head. I look Barcelona from their squad depth, totally nonsense. Koeman for me, now coach if he's like hold them down, but not be coach who will carry you go front. Koeman normally, if in there for average club, you do well for average club. Honestly, for me, I don't see him as top manager. Barca like they bring their ex-players, they say their system, they call them the Jan Cruyff or something.
Yeah.
I mean, can use type coach, but no. Come and know their system. Come and play 3 at the back. But like when they bring that Atletico Bilbao coach, when in system normally now defensive, Valverde attack defense, nobody take that kind of football. He came in win but not be their ideal, not be their standard. Barca, they get pattern.
Yeah, they get style of play.
Pattern.
Yeah, the tiki taka.
Exactly. And then they was Spain, where normally teams they only attack you 2-4-7, so they will get chance now to like expand their football. Sometimes this is in Barca football, they very sorry. No, very sore.
But would you still stay with you from
like
Barcelona?
Paul. Very sore.
No force the rhyme. You know they work.
No, son and Bible now. Then change son him to Paul. I don't know your Bible. No. When Saul was killing Christians.
We know that one.
Come to, I know my Bible.
You they try
they them to Saul, Paul.
In the same vein, as they change the name, I will change your name from Bucci to Bushy. You're a very Bush man. You'll be Bush.
Bucci still stay with you. Zidane and Real Madrid, what will be the next solution now for their team?
Honestly, for me, I believe Zidane don't do him best when go for Real Madrid.
The first time in a long time, Real Madrid don't win any title.
Anything, but honestly, more
Leicester City better pass.
Madrid squad. Honestly, Madrid go from Galacticos to Scataticos. Like their team right now, they very bank average, and also they don't evolve well with replacing players. Modric is 35. For how many years? Replacement no day for Luka Modric. Benzema right now is 33. Who they replace him? No. Sergio Ramos is 35.
They're not replace him? Juventus in the making now.
So right now they get a lot of aging, experienced players who don't win over the years.
Yeah.
But the replacement don't really work well. You got to say Varane no be replacement. Varane a starter. Nacho, that one a flexible player, making sure they play everywhere, but no be replacement. Who they for Luka player? You can't even cover Valverde. Because Valverde too. Oh no, you know be the Modric kind of player. Benzema, who did Mariano?
No.
Mayora will go loan to Roma. These are not the players. Now replacement factor. But the problem are for Real Madrid. What happened to Liverpool that time?
Yeah.
How to that Real Madrid? Money some kind time. No, they buy everything. At times you need to like at least watch your youth system. I like what that they do. We don't see I'm give a lot of debut to some youth players.
Yeah, from Blanco to
you get some
Gutierrez.
special player.
Yeah.
When go enter pitch, you go know. As he's there right now, don't do him best, don't win too much. Him and what do they call that word? Him now the winnings don't raise the expectation so much was there. And like
he's a victim of his own success.
Of his own success.
Yes.
He don't be victim. He don't be victim. I think don't try so much. And he kept Madrid competing with a poor average squad. See, thumbs up to Zidane. Make it go rest, chill. If you get money, make come go. Go Babish.
You don't do.
Timmy, I think I concur with him too.
Yes,
you are concurring.
I'm a victim of my own success. So many women chasing me up and down. Because of money now.
I don't die for you, my
It's very, very sorry.
I just get one thing to
quick
add.
one.
Zidane, you don't really try well, and of course, easy to win Champions League back to back because no team don't do it before and they don't achieve them. But then it's so unfortunate, say this in coming. Even when in they come, a lot of people were like, this is how this man they come. You know, go there rosy this time around. And they come be say, then they try steal the title on the last day. Yeah. And of course, I just thank God for Atletico, say, then come out right, then play. And of course, Luis Suarez managed to prove in critics wrong. And of course, help inside take that one. So for Zidane, just like Bushi take Tottenham, make it go rest. Sometimes make it go sabbatical, in fact.
And you want to say the results, now they see so Real Madrid beats Villarreal, but that one no help them win the league. And Barcelona self beat Eibar for the last day. Meaning say yes, it has to be the teams that will relegate for inside the Spanish La Liga now. Huesca, Real Valladolid, and Eibar. And the teams then will relegate. Now be that. And Moku Turner say yes, the sharp shooter, the sharpest shooter. You guys give him to the man, Lionel Messi. 30 goals and Naimi score for La Liga this season.
All the wahala.
Yes, even upon all the wahala.
They clap for Messi because we are of the same height.
Thank you. And talk about the assist king, the man who give the most assist. Now Celta Vigo Skipolala, I go Aspas. Naim collect that award with 13 for Liverpool. 13 assists. Naim take win the assist king for that one. From there, we'll enter the Italian Serie A and talk about Juventus. Finally qualify for Champions League after they beat Bologna 4-1. But the bad news comes from Napoli. Webin gets the lead against Verona, but they can't allow Verona to lose that, to draw that match as they come back. But Sexy Joe, you want to say bad one for Victor Osimhen and the news from Naples. Yes, from Naples. Now, say, why
this
you laugh?
Must be an exciting news.
Yeah, it has.
A news that shakes
No, it's not. Exactly, it's not actually an exciting news.
I like the way they related the news to you. Please give me a nipple news now.
The news from Naples is that the man where they put General Gattuso, Inofi continues with the work as the coach because the man will get the club, or Laurentis, he don't sack him from Twitter. After I tell him, I say, thank you for your work, greet your family for me, but bye-bye to you.
Well, you see, for Napoli, pay me well because I follow that game. And of course, whether we like him or not, Verona was the better. Verona was the better side.
You know why our voice is soft? Verona. Now that man, they feed the sponsor for teaching business.
Verona are the better side against Napoli. Napoli tried. It got to a point, even Victor Osimhen, he just they run helter-skelter for field. And of course, I don't see much way contribute. But the few times we in leg the touch ball, you will see that that superstar player where we say everybody know. But then it is so unfortunate say Napoli. But sometimes I feel say conspiracy theory day to not allow Napoli qualify because if you see as the whole thing take happen, even Atalanta will be said on the second for quite some time now, drop, go third. Juve will be say people don't believe say they no go play Europa League. All of a sudden, develop ginger and swagger, beat Bologna 4-1. So you go start to the wonder say where everything go wrong. It's so unfortunate. Even Gattuso in sack, he don't say we don't they smell him. No be today. You don't say we don't they smell him. Even on that period where we say they criticize Pirlo, say Pirlo won't come take work for Juve. Even that period, his job was under threat. And now finally they don't let him go. You need to see the guy yesterday. One run mad for touchline and all that because he was so eager for his side to at least score that second goal so that they go feel whole and 2-1. But it's so unfortunate. Napoli get a lot of work to do for that squad. It pained me because Nigerian boy did there, and of course the money where they carry go buy him, he never still justify him well. I hope say next season the coach where they come inside for next season go use Victor Osimhen the way we supposed to use him well.
Hopefully that's how will happen. But Papito will not get time. I bet quick one.
Okay, don't worry. Continue.
Thank you. And Bucci, you want to talk say for Milan, then return to the Champions League as they finish for number 2 position on top of the table after they beat Atalanta 2-0. Wow. Good one for AC Milan. In a very long time, I think almost 9 years, we never see them for Champions League, but they return next season to the Champions League. Good one for them if you ask me.
Fantastic.
And for the coach himself, Stefano Pioli.
Fantastic. Yes, then use Tite starter 1 or 2 when the league start and be the top. But they not really get the squad depth or the experience of Conte. And the same way Pioli they send message for Italy about appointing all this internship manager and what Tuchel do for England too. Because him don't come to the team. Not only him, it's all their intention they appoint, carry them go Champions League. And if you look at Milan squad, honestly go respect them. Then they carry scraps from different teams and give them opportunity to play. Vicario no fit get games for Chelsea.
They send them on loan.
AC Milan right now. Regular 9B.
Suso.
They play for AC Milan. You get which other player again? You get plenty players.
Ibrahimovic.
You got Ibrahimovic that one. Nah,
OG.
Experienced crab. They get plenty players. Bakayoko. Bakayoko they Napoli. They get this guy who did Miete. They get plenty players who they don't use. Their squad, they don't get fantastic squad, but they get good manager, which have you hold them well. Atlanta na hard place to go.
Very hard. Points. I shocked.
But AC Milan go there, defend properly. Yes, now 2 penalty goals.
Bergamo.
2 deserved penalty goals. Then dominate Atlanta because now important game they need to win and then do what they're supposed to. Respect to Pioli. Him now, man, we don't steady the ship. Tell them, say, I beg, and they beg clubs right now what they reward. Instead of it to go, they appoint all those small coach. We get Imama Amakabo. Now fantastic manager here for Nigeria. We get Fatai.
Thank you.
We get
thank you. Fatai, no, when have you qualified for semi-final of Confederation Cup? I don't need that yourself. The table 9 they see so Inter Milan 91 points, champions for the Scudetto for the first time in 11 years, and AC Milan for the first time in 9 years they're going to return to the Champions League. Atalanta self go play Champions League. Juventus with Ronaldo, hopefully he go change his mind. He go stay with Juventus.
Don't pack under the cover of darkness. He
go play Champions League, and Napoli will go play Europa League. But I'm going to tell you, yes, the teams that we don't relegate for inside the Serie A, and we go tell you say now Benevento, Crotone with our own Simi Nwankwo, and Parma. Now the 3 clubs. In fact, now Parma shocked me pass because them finish for bottom of the table, and the 3 clubs them will relegate. Now be that. But for the sharpshooters,
that club is trouble.
Moku Shepardly talk about the sharpshooters. Cristiano Ororo Ronaldo, 29 goals, 9 min score, and you want to talk say good one for the king. We will say you don't steal the show in Agbakara at the age of 36, and the assist king now Ruslan Malinovsky, the man from Atalanta, 12 goals as assist. Naiming get for that one. From there, my people, Moku Shepardly moved to the German Bundesliga, and the biggest news now say Lewandowski, he finally scored the last goal, the last kick of the game. He scored that one as then beat Augsburg 5-2, and you want to talk say Sexy Joe for Lewandowski. He break that record of Gerd Müller. We don't stand for 49 years, and you want to talk say good one for the Polish man. He dedicate the goal to him, mama.
Now I tell you, say records are meant to be broken, and of course, you don't see waiting he do. I feel say Lewandowski now one of those players will be say one of those strikers for what will be say. As in, then get everything where traditional number 9 they get as far as they concerned. Get the strength, the pace, he get the balance, he get everything where be say they use the 2 legs, they use head,
and he get the soap. He get the soap too.
You don't even need the soap, self. You don't need the soap because already the soap don't the inside body. So for this guy to be underrated, and still they wonder. And of course, imagine 49-year-old record, and now he don't break. I even put Jara on top, self. 41, he scored 41 goals in total for this season. Imagine, in fact, he don't collect in European golden shoe as the highest goal scorer for inside Europe. And of course, apart from that one, this guy don't set records. Remember the other time, fastest goals in 9 minutes, 5 goals in 9 minutes, then give a Guinness World of Record. So this guy has come to stay, and of course I happy well say, even though say other people they hail Ronaldo, they hail Messi, he did in own lane, just like Zlatan Ibrahimovic, they do in own thing. And I feel say now one of those strikers will be saying a very long time we go still they remember, even when they hang up in boots.
And then you want to talk about the other results, then we happen for inside the German Bundesliga. You guys talk about Dortmund we qualify for Champions League save after them beat Bayer Leverkusen 3-1, and then finish for number 3 position for that one. Wolfsburg follow beat then lose actually to Mainz, but they still qualify for Champions League 2-3. Now they lose to Mainz, and Union Berlin beat RB Leipzig 2-1. And the table after
not forget Awoniyi.
Union Berlin. You want to say Liverpool. Hopefully you go back there because you don't get permit to come they play finally, for England finally. But talking about the leaders there, we win the league title. Bayern Munich win their number 9 full body title. 78 points with 78 points. RB Leipzig finished for number 2 position with 65 points. And the gap now 13 points difference. Borussia Dortmund 64 points. Wolfsburg won 61 points. 4 of them go show face for Champions League next season. And talk about the assist king now Thomas Müller, the man will go return to the German national team for Euros 2020 we go happen from June 11. 18 assists now you get.
They said that time Marcus Reus to return. He say no they go.
No one stress.
No one stress.
No one go.
And you want to talk to the team that we don't relegate from inside the German Bundesliga. Now Werder Bremen, Schalke 04 confirm, and Cologne go play playoff with one of the teams from their second division, that is Bundesliga 2, to take no who go still there for the Bundesliga next season. From there, we went to the French League 1, and Bucci finally, yes, Christophe Galtier do the work. He did the magic as Lille beat Angers 2-1, and PSG, even though they beat Brest 2-0, it don't mean anything because the leaders don't win their match against Angers.
It means a lot of things. How can you beat Brest? What is left for you to...
Papito, you don't do.
Okay, continue.
You don't do. But Buji, you want to say the last time when Lille win league title? Now 2011.
What can man cannot live by bread?
2010, 2011.
That's
time
alone.
They still get
breast.
You don't do.
Okay.
They still get Eden Hazard that year, and you want to say good one for them. 10 years on, Christophe Galtier don't do the same magic what happened 10 years ago as they don't win their second league title ever.
That's how they win and they get Gervinho. Both of them operate through the wings. And now Luis Garcia be their coach at that time. Remember, we did Lyon. Now we just come for Lyon. But Christophe Galtier a different manager. Also, don't forget the Lille squad. The one thing they replace after they sell.
Yeah.
Honestly.
Yeah.
And when they sell Pepe for big money to us, and they buy Victor Osimhen.
Now something we say we got study for university.
1 year. When they sell Victor Osimhen, they buy 2 strikers. David from Genk, they come by Yimas come on loan.
Yeah.
Both of them share the goals. Most of their players say they come and bring this goalkeeper. Maigan will get the most clean sheets right there.
Yeah.
Even when Fonte was injured, they still bring one body called Jallo. Jallo come all to do the job. They get Ikone, they get Yazizi, they get squad fantastic young players we won't play ball, and they get good manager we don't experience the league for a long time. Yes, you go see the winner with 1 point, but 1 point, but that's no winner with anything at all. Against PSB, Hush Puppy of the League One, and imagine say you beat Hush Puppy. It don't say Hush Puppy carry moto now. They say I bought this moto for 200 million pounds. You will get 20 naira. With the enter keke. Imagine you compare a keke to, I don't want to give motor credit to like an expensive car. This is what we say Leo do. Not be easy thing. Yeah. Trust me, it no easy. I'll tell you, say money fee buy talent, but talent also still plenty. Not be all the old talent go with big money. Talent, yeah, but football huge with plenty players. And the league on now good field where you see plenty players. We don't see plenty players come for the league on dominate with their different. There are plenty now all across the world. And Gatia don't show us say yes. If I go feed one, don't send good message to all clubs. Not be money be everything. If you get money, you don't get sense, you don't get direction.
If you check,
you don't get money, you don't get sense.
Sexy Joe. The one I want to just quickly talk about because we don't get time again. PSG and Mauricio Pochettino. Which way now go be for them?
That the same way go be for them now because even himself, you remember say he no start the season with them. So at least now he don't experience what it be like to manage for inside France and manage a big club like PSG. You don't know what they expect from next season. Say look, both the the Ligue 1 title and of course the UEFA's Champions League and all that. He got winner. So no feel say them go really blame him much because just like Thomas Tuchel, almost the same time, I then go either this one go this way, this one go this way. So I feel saying he get all the time in the world to start afresh come next season and of course do something with the team. He get the team, he get the squad, he get everything. So now just for him, maybe we go talk so okay, you don't really understand the team, you know to say wait Thomas come out January then come, you understand. So from next season, he don't cool down, he don't know these players, he don't carry them go play some games for Champions League, carry them play for inside the Ligue 1. So now he don't open eye, no waiting and where he need to make adjustment. So come next season, he go come good.
Yes, hopefully come
unless
good. Next season he go
come good unless he go continue with that mentality where he carry from Tottenham Hotspur. If not, all good.
Okay. And the table now be that you want to talk to the teams that we go show face for Champions League. Now Lille, PSG, and Monaco. Monaco go play qualifiers to take qualify for the group stages of the Champions League. But for Lille and PSG, automatic they don't enter the group stages. Lyon go play the Europa League with Marseille. I think because Marseille self finished for number 5 position. The sharpshooters, now the star man, the star boy from the 2018 World Cup, Kylian Mbappe,
you know what is
27
very, very
goals.
sweet about Mbappe is that both of us we were neighbors. God answered his prayer for us.
Oh, no.
Wait, come down.
Oh Lord.
In my backyard, he used to raise ball. One day, he used his ball to break my windshield. I didn't even complain. And I've told him.
Which year it is?
I'm talking about the 19 something.
19 what?
Don't forget
How
about
old
it.
be clearly, but
Don't worry about it. He's a young boy.
how old he be?
Very, very young guy.
90 something. Now they play ball.
Ask God to San Diego. He'll tell you.
How many years?
What am I telling you?
How
Calm
many
down.
years Kylian Mbappe?
What's your problem now?
22, Abi?
I'm born now.
Not 22.
Back to the matter. Help me reach out to this guy. Let him pay my money for my windshield.
Who be that?
Even the race ball for the backyard at that time.
Now you
when
break
we
up.
neighbors.
You don't know your address.
No, I can't go back to my grass.
Thank you.
again.
The
I'm
assist
Grace
king,
now.
the assist king now Memphis Depay, the Dutchman, with
The man
Barcelona
wey
they
Barcelona
try.
dey toast.
One Colobi 12 assists now me get for Lyon. But that one don't make them finish for Champions League sports because they'll go play Europa League. But Mekatana said the relegated teams already Nîmes, Dijon, and the Nantes we go do
So
playoffs.
they go second
Simon,
division.
no
Daddy,
daddy.
Moses Simon,
Chai,
in team
chai,
gas
chai,
to play
chai,
playoff.
chai.
Then lose for house, and that one surprised me past. Supposing they win that match, maybe
So let's see get hope.
then they go do playoff. They'll play playoff with
two
one.
they go down, one go play playoff.
Yes, two they go down. The two they already automatically go down. And Nîmes and Dijon, but Nantes go still play playoff. So hope still there
They
for
love this team.
Daddy Simon.
They love this team.
The Lord.
No. Simon, personally, say I don't meet him like 2 times, and I don't hear good things about him.
Ah, fantastic
Yeah.
guy.
Lorero.
Person will build
Yeah.
road for
I
your own
will tell
community.
you, yes.
No, listen to our Kaduna do am for 2 states. So
Oh,
nobody
really?
wants- Yes, now.
Wow.
Do a borehole for one of the places we saying grow from because they say no get good water. If they shock inside this stage, you no get better water for this country.
Potable
Now,
water.
Player, they do am.
They
Football
had.
player.
Now,
And
wow.
it not been do to you.
And they go get local
Impact-
government
the
to.
impact on the community.
They go get local government
Yeah.
chairman.
And what you go come pain us pass? We say when you want to open the road with scissors, you see the government people come.
And
Eh,
I
the-
them
That
now.
was their personal problem. But that's why I dey vex because I didn't like am when bad thing happen to good people.
Yeah.
But for football, no be how you take fall. Now you take stand up. And now I'm so used to I go down today. Tomorrow they do better.
They bounce back.
But at least the good team.
They be traditional French
Ligue
squad,
1
with their normal
campaigners.
yellow. See, he go come back and I like him. You know, saying be struggle when he dey for Spain.
Yeah.
And now since they come get his own level,
Yeah.
be their venue. They start nearly every game because you know, say he be
Every game.
workaholic. Like that guy can work well for you, also can score for you. And they hope say the playoff Nantes go. If they don't.
Why now?
The Nigerians what support
You see why I talk to say from
listen
Buchi to
now,
Bushi. This is
listen
how
now.
Bush people
The
do.
Nigerians what you do now just now
Will you stop it? The table? You know how
Nah,
much I
nah,
spent
nah,
on
nah,
this table.
nah, nah, react-
Relax and
nah,
talk properly.
na reaction
It's just
Now
too rough.
involuntary.
involuntary reaction.
Thank you.
It happen.
Thank you.
All right.
See, I want to the
You
God,
don't
the God will help Kelechi and Acho and the win FA Cup. They go help and qualify.
Amen.
Hope day.
From there, we enter Ojoro referee, and the one we happened over the weekend. Anthony Taylor will give Jamie Vardy second penalty. This penalty, me, I dey argue
A
am.
penalty.
Just Baba.
Correct penalty.
How this thing take me? I beg, make them show us again because me, if you say this thing happen outside, first
penalty.
off, then
no happen
look,
outside.
Just know. Only say the one where we say as the C, now the one
You
where we
don't
say
dey hold am
It's
from
not
now.
there, it's not there, 18
see
years.
na Jamie Vardy. If you check the other side of the camera, now Jamie Vardy they hold Sanchez. Now the problem be that what I get with this referee
Rafa, penalty.
Anthony Taylor. The other side shows it now Jamie Vardy now in they pull Sanchez to make him one fall.
So there are
till
two
he fall.
sides to the coin now.
Yeah, there are two sides, but
You know what? I will
here
just
what
send
the
them a
penalty.
query. They give
Now
me his details. I'll send them
confirm
a query.
penalty.
For me, no be confirmed penalty.
As-
Dubious
as-
penalty. Dubious penalty.
No,
Chelsea
nothing
fans
dubious
themselves follow
here.
complain
Nothing
because this one
dubious
na very
here.
dubious. You don't even check VR.
Chelsea fans go complain because Tottenham don't help them now. They don't make top four.
Yes, they need to complain because this one a dubious penalty.
The same Tottenham fans where they say they
from
don't
there,
like.
Moku enter the one-on-one, and you want to talk. Say yes, sir. Even with that
Jimmy, please, I beg you
penalty,
with God. This
Yeah.
one-on-one, what they want to do. Make them no break bottle for my
No,
head now.
now you have to tell it.
no, no,
Yeah,
Buchi,
but- Are you ready to
Buchi.
lose?
The one,
Don't
the
worry, I don't
one.
want to defeat her. You let them
Don't
go,
do
let them
now,
go.
Papito.
Let
Time no
them do
day.
their thing.
The news what they get from inside Spain now say Luis Enrique don't release the 24-man squad for Euro 2020. But you wait happen. He dey kiss your mouth.
What is
Check it out. What is this?
What did
Then they call this one sexy muscle. Timmy.
Bring it on.
Are you that?
Compare.
You know
Bring it Just touch this one. Just touch your Timmy. You see him? He's strong, kakaraka like Sumarok. You see this one?
You know what I feel?
Gucci, you see this one?
Oh yeah, now minute.
They watch wrestling every time.
But the topic or the discussion for this one-on-one now say no Real Madrid player, no Sergio Ramos. Why?
Jovita, more agree. I talk 1 minute, he talk 1 minute. Then we'll go argue.
Okay, yeah.
Let's more definitely.
Oh yeah, now talk because my blood on the hot.
Yeah, professional.
Oh yeah, Buchi, we start with you.
I don't know. I think Luis Enrique. We don't coach Barcelona before. Honestly, now very biased coach. This election they very biased. Honestly, yes, he go fit talk say Ramos don't get wunjo since.
Yeah.
But Ramos for this Spanish squad, not be only player and a leader. Look this team. The only experienced player we didn't get here now Sergio Busquets. The rest now scrap.
Jordi Alba self na experience.
That one where they talking.
Caesar Spiliqueta.
See, difference
Every day you go office, you're talking.
Make I tell you something.
They're talking.
Difference day between lion and dog. Alba, this
Jordi
one.
Alba.
That one. Now, you know what?
Cocaine.
Sergio, nobody that cocaine.
Okay, Gucci, your 1 minute.
Honestly, you can't put Eric Garcia when no see game at all for City. No put Nacho.
But he played for RB Leipzig.
Eric Garcia.
Yeah, okay, Eric Garcia. Yeah. Manchester City.
Chill. Ferran Torres.
Yeah.
Won a one hat-trick in 9 games.
City.
Wait, Pablo Sarabia, good player too.
PSG.
I don't know why can't
Adama Traore.
Asensao get one? He's supposed to enter 1 year.
One for the
Let
forward.
me tell you something, Bucci. Your 1 minute is up.
Okay.
Your 1 minute is
Your
up.
1 minute don't end.
No,
Look, let me tell you something. He is not biased in any way. As a coach, you know what to work for you. After all, how many of the same Real Madrid players, how many of them do well this season? You see how they struggle. Apart from the struggle where they struggle.
Sorry.
Shana their best right.
30 seconds more.
Before in the last couple of years, every time we Spain one play, now Barcelona, Real Madrid,
Yes, Real Madrid.
Because they get the players.
He don't look at players will do well. He don't carry them, put there. Regardless, see, this is the problem we're having in Nigeria and Super Eagles. What that system? Now, the one that can't do a first time. You lie. It don't go happen. Luis Enrique gets the right to invite whoever he wants to invite. Whether Real Madrid player or not, he's not going to make friends. Not to do well. I
don't want shots.
Let me tell you something. Nothing like shout. He don't talk to shout. He said no one shout. What are you doing now? Look, it doesn't matter. Any player when they work for you, you invite him to play. You not go look at Real Madrid or Barcelona. Which Barcelona player do well like this? Because they come out, they not do well. Real Madrid has been struggling.
Yes, my people. Now here we go end the Euroball podcast for the season. As these students in the remember to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget, subscribe to our channel so that you're feeded to watch most and all of our videos, even as we come up for studio. To wait till again next time, Mena Kajak and Mena Dewe. I don't want to come out. My people, now bye bye.
So why you compete?
Timmy, one more thing.
Go be two.
One more thing.
Go be two.
Hello.
Who don't want to
Go be the Spanish team.
He don't do
Let them go sleep.
David, I will turn you to fried fish.
Football Republic.